Good morning, everybody. Rick here. Today is Monday, April 10th. Time is 8:31 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So, little push-up from over the weekend. Okay, let's see if we can find this here. Yep, this is it. This was the fundamental move, pull back, and it's actually corrected now. So we'll see what is going on here. So I marked this yellow line many moons ago. I'm not even sure what it is, but it touched on the fundamental and it just touched here again. So I'm not actually short just yet. I want to see if we're gonna pull on back. Let's see, that line is on 91.92. So we got up to 99. This is a cluster area right here. So I wanted to see if we'll actually hit. Hang on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I guess we did hit. So I was looking at this one, these big prints here. Actually, this one's very valid as well. Actually, no, it's not. So that's just a large print on 88. Okay, but this one is, and that would have put that in the reversal sequence there, 88, 98, 99, and yep, okay, this is the one we should be looking at right here. So, and this was just a final of the flush, so. Okay, I'm going to see if I can grab short off of the 8 moving average, somewhere around 87 or so. Hopefully I didn't miss that move. And we'll see. All right, I'll be back. Okay, guys, I caught it short right here at 52.90. So 10 contracts short. Look to pull half off at 52.80. Stop is going to be sitting at 53 for the moment. So, alright, I'll be back. Alright, stop is coming down to 92 for a 2-tick stop. Let's see here. Within 1 tick of getting off at half off, at 10 ticks for the half off. So, sitting at 8 right now. Let's see if we can do it one more time. And I think I'll hold out for this one and see if we actually get it. Alright, be back in a minute. Okay, I went ahead and pulled that off at 82. Alright, here. Well, half off anyway. For 8 ticks, leaving me 5 contracts short, 52.90. And stop still sitting at 92 right now. 92. Yep, I'm gonna leave it at 92 for the moment for a 2-tick stop. So we'll see what happens here. Okay, if we can get a breakdown, so we should start the pilling process at 70, 1 off for 70, and then we'll see from there. Let me set that up. Alright, so we're just kind of in watch mode. This is actually looking like a channel right now. But we have our valid prints right here. So, at least we got the half off part. So, I mean, technically speaking, it's already hit 10 off break even. But with me not seeing it, I guess we just kind of missed that initial trade. But off of the 8 moving average is always my contingency, or my secondary plan, if you will. So, alright, I'm gonna watch. I'll be back shortly. My goodness, this is painful. I don't know what is. Oh, so yeah, you did this last week too. Okay. Anyway, I'm still in this trade, and I am going to set it. It's actually already set. I moved my stop to break even, by the way. And still look to pull one off at 70. I'm not sure what's happening here. I see dollars starting to push down. And look like it's actually starting to work in somewhat of a convergence again. or a divergence of each other, inverse. So with this push up, it started coming down. CL started coming down here, so we'll see what happens with this break if it's able to push through this 50 moving average here or not. So, yeah, we're just looking like we're just kind of channeling along right now. So who knows what's going to happen, but yeah, my personality can't let me sit here and look at this. So I will be close by. I'm going to throw it up on my phone, but yeah, this is this is brutal. So I can understand like once a couple times a month I got to go through this, but yeah, I'm pretty sure this happened last Friday as well, Thursday or Friday. Anyway, I'll be back after a while. I'm close by though. All right. Yep. See you in a bit. Okay. So look like a little bit of action wanted to pick up while I was away. I did end up going out to my garden for a bit. So, here, let me get you caught up. Got stopped out up here at 70, I believe it was, or 80 rather. Nope, 90. So stopped out here. All right. And I actually got back short again. Where's my numbers at? I'm still short actually at 71. Right here. So not the best feel. Being that this still is possibly a range, but I think we'll be okay at this point. So, all right, let me watch for a bit. Let me stop is sitting at 81, and I look to pull a half off at 61. So, yeah. Okay, let me get some stuff adjusted. So I'm just kind of all over the place right now. All right, I'll be back in just a bit. Okay, I went ahead and pulled half off at 65. Actually back over here. What is that for 6 ticks? Yeah, 6 ticks. And stop is sitting at 79 right now. See, 71 is my entry. I'm going to move my stop to 74 for a 3-tick stop. I want to see if we're actually going to push back up to the 8 moving average again, and if that's the case, then I'll probably look to short it again at that point there. So it's not the ideal feel, but able to get some of the position off and stop move to pretty much make it a close to scratch trade, and that's all I could ask for in this situation. So, all right, I'll be back, and I think I'm sitting put for a bit. Let me see, let me make sure. Oh boy, oh is that a reversal sequence? That is looking like it. Let's see what we got up underneath here. 64, 54. Okay, that is starting to get back into value areas. So, and that may line up to be oversold the way it's moving down. Okay, well, we may look to become a bull if we can push on down around the 54, 55 level. And what is it? Yeah, around 54 to be exact. So we'll see. All right, I'll be back in a bit. All right, stop there. So next level, actually, I like this level a lot. So, and to probably take it long. So I'm gonna see if we can go push on back down to 55 and become a bull at that point. But let me see where we're going to go. So we still may have some short activity going on as well. So just want to kind of watch and see. So had a reversal sequence back here, and that got triggered on this bar actually. Let me see here. 88, 98. Yep, got triggered at 98. Got stopped there, so short action again. So, and this is just kind of a really big channel right now. I mean, really big. So if we push on back up around the 80 area, let me see what we're at for 94, 95. So if we push up around the 80, 85 level, I may look to take that short again as well. So let me kind of watch what we do off the 8 moving average though as well. But ultimately, I think that this is going to continue upwards. And yeah, just a lot of indecision going on right here. I mean, just this is this has been just doji. So some down pressure on a couple of these bars, but this pretty much been just an area of indecision right now. So, and rightly so. All right, guys, I'm rambling. Let me pause, and I'll be back when I get into another trade. All right, hop this one short at the 8 moving average. Short 10 contracts, 52.76. Looks to pull half off at 66. Stop sitting at 82 right now. What is that? 76. 6 tick stop. So just hiding behind this this big imbalance right here. So we'll see. I will probably look to pull everything off around 56 if we can get down there. And I will gauge that with momentum to seeing how we're going into it, if we can actually push down there. So we'll see what happens. All right, I'll be back in just a bit. Well, that didn't work out. Stopped out here at 82 for 6 ticks, and I don't know. I think that probably puts me back about a scratch there. I don't know. All right. Well, here's my thought process. We are just in one big old indecision channel right now. And what I want to see is these kind of prints right here. So I have a long entry from this short, down to 54. And based off of this print here, I have 88, 98.08. So my areas I'm looking for reversal plays is 1 deviation line, 53.13, and for a long play, 52.55. So that's what I'm waiting for. I'm done playing around in chop because that's all this really is. There's a bunch of chop going on, and you know, even the best of traders, you know, can get flushed out of that on occasion too. So we'll see what happens when we can get out of this zone, and if not, then we'll wrap the day up. So all right, I'm gonna pause, and we'll see what happens when we can get there. All right, see you in a bit. So the 1 deviation line kind of moved on down to this yellow line. And I saw some unusual activity going on here watching the timing sales. So I figured we'd gone ahead and risk it here with a really tight stop. Short 10 contracts, 52.90. Stop sitting at 95 for a 5 tick stop. Looks to pull half off of 52.80. And right now we're still in a channel, but it is the extreme of the channel, which I can work with. So we'll see what happens at this point. All right, I'll be back shortly. Ever feel like those days that the market is just watching you in particular? So we got down here within 1 tick of getting half off, and it has decided to turn all the way back around to my entry spot. So I'm gonna leave it on. Then it's only a 5 tick stop, but yeah, we'll see what happens here. Like it's still, and I thought this was the break. Evidently not. And it's looking like it wants to, you know, break up on the upside as well. So that's kind of what chop really boils down to anyway. So a lot of indecision going on still. So, but I think we're still okay. You know, always risk management first and foremost. So we'll see how this plays out. If I got to take it off at 8 ticks, then so be it as well. All right, be back shortly. See, The market must have heard me whining. Okay, I got, well, I actually took 7 off, because this is a channel and this might be the break. I don't know. So I got 7 off, and that leaves me 3 contracts short, 52.90. I'm gonna move my stop to break even at this point, and we are not going to be pilling. We're shooting straight for the gusto to 55, and we'll probably take 2 of them off there, or may just close it all together. I don't know yet. So that's what we're shooting for anyway. Let's see, where are we at now? So I think this cluster right here is still valid, and I like it a lot, really. And that puts it back on 55 as a trigger level, 55 to 45, which the 50 period average may be the threshold on that. And we're still heading downwards on stochastics here. Okay, short 3 contracts, 52.90. Stop sitting at break even, and I'll make a decision if and when we get down here to around 55 or so. All right, I'll be back in a bit. All right, stopped out, and I'm done. This is this is some madness. So it trickles up, bam, shot down. Trickles up, bam, shot down. Trickles up, bam, shot down. Trickles up. Theoretically, it would say bam, shot down. I don't know. This is just somebody's doing a lot of building here. I don't know who it is, and at this point, I'm just gonna wait till somebody decides they want to say, all right, we're done playing this game, and that will probably be tomorrow for me. So we'll see. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Bunch of short scalps today. I don't believe I made much of anything, if I did make anything, but didn't lose anything. So risk management, always practice it. That's what it really boils down to, the psychology of yourself and risk management. And then everything else tends to always fall in line. All right, have a good one, and we'll see you tomorrow, hopefully. All right, bye.